address. Even though your hair's a mess, she said it's Isabel Marone. And I got everything you want. Only questions, can you hang? Will you come and entertain? I will, I will, I will. Never forget the thrill. We know, we know, we know what we came for, what we came for. Where you from? Like that. Where you from? If you give me what I want, I'll give it to you right now. If you give me what I want, I'll give it to you right by the way of South Chicago. Graduated in the Bay, had her birthday in LA. Said I had to go to Paris, private jets on her parents. Asked me if I wanna roll, I said if you take me home, I will, I will, I will. Never forget the thrill. We know, we know, we know what we came for, what we came for.
I can't describe. I close my eyes, the day's the same. There's a thorn in my side when I hear my name. It makes me high, I feel the shame.
scared of your stolen power. See right through you anyhow.
close my eye, I lift my head, blinded by the sky. Feel my way in front, following the sound. Moves away so fast, fall down to the ground. I know there's more to come. Jump back to my feet. Now I only see ahead of me, chasing down the street, down the street, down the street, down the street, down the street.
You play with my emotions like it's all just a game to you. It's a game to you. But roll the dice again and I can promise this time you lose. It's your turn to lose. No more sorries, no more pain. No more us for you to blame. Just our song that we let play again and again and again and again and again. No more sorries, no more pain. No more us for you to blame. Just our song that we let play again and 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 song that we let play again and again and again and again and again and again.
so high we feel the sun, the sun. While you're out starting wars and waving guns and guns. All we care about is having fun. You wear the crown but we are close to the kingdom. We share the world, we share the air that you're breathing. So please be careful with the things that you're wasting. Don't forget us, we're the next generation. Just go on living, can't you see past the issues? Remember the future is walking in our shoes. Just look at mama, love, she's losing her patience. Don't forget us, we're the next generation. Is this what happens? Will we learn to hate? Will we stop laughing and not appreciate? Look in the mirror before you go outside and find that little child the world taught you to hide. When we see an open field, we run, we run. Put our hands so high we feel the sun, the sun. While you're out starting wars and waving guns and guns. All we care about is having fun. You wear the crown but we are close to the kingdom. We share the world, we share the air that you're breathing. So please be careful with the things that you're wasting. Don't forget